Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I want to show you a quick tip if you happen to work on mowers that you either buy at flea markets, garage sales, or even trash pick. This case here, we have a broken cable. Now this happens to be my mower, and I repaired the end of this cable using solder and a mold. That video is one of the videos that I can't upload, so I won't be showing you that. Now, you guessed it, shortly after repairing this end of the cable, the other end of the cable snapped. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you this quick tip. These cables can be pretty pricey. They run anywhere from $15 to $30 depending on the cable, the mower, and they're all different sizes. So before you decide to spend the money, you want to see if this mower will work. Get yourself a bucket, whether it's this bucket here, a driveway sailor. You need the metal handle. Some of the buckets you can get from the supermarkets when they throw their jelly buckets out have these metal handles on them. Now you can see this mower is pretty beat up. This mower, I bought it used and it's about 5 years old. It's left outside and I cut the hills, I go over rocks with it and everything else, and it just keeps working. Now you want to get this handle and you want to bend it. That bend that's on there is the bend that's originally there, that little end. And bend it to fit around where the cable would go. There we are. Now this will release the brake and the engine shut off. Now the bend doesn't have to be anything fancy, it just has to pull this forward. That's permanent, this is what moves, and I have a little handle here where I can flip it up. Please take note, this is not to run your machine this way. This cable here, this cable when it's attached and you release the handle, it shorts out the engine, shuts it down, and the brake stops the flywheel from spinning. It's a safety device and you need it. This is just to see if you can get this engine running before you spend money on a cable that you may not need. Now let's see it in action. So now that you see the engine starts, you could go out and order the cable for your unit. And I say it again, replace this cable before you use your machine to cut your grass. This tip is to be used in the shop, just to check out the engine to see if you can get it working before you buy expensive parts that you may not need. Well guys, that's a wrap. If you found this video useful or if you have any questions, post your comments down below. And if you enjoyed it and found it useful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. So until next time, stay well and stay safe.